Hello everyone and welcome to Qualitative Research Methods for the Social Sciences. My name is Dee Michelle and I'm the course coordinator. I love doing qualitative research because it helps us appreciate the complexity and the richness of social life. But what we're doing in this course is developing your understanding of the various ways of going about it, the diverse traditions, the methodologies and the methods. By the end of the course, for example, you'll know what participatory action research is, and you'll have had a chance to try out some methods too, like doing interviews and doing those in different ways. All the lectures for the semester are online and will be available in Echo 360. Nathan Manning and I are co-teaching, and that means sometimes he'll do the lectures and sometimes I'll do the lectures. Nathan is the tutor for the Friday 11 a.m. face-to-face class in Horace Lamb 422. I'm the tutor for the Tuesday 2 p.m. online Zoom class and for the Wednesday 9 a.m. face-to-face class in Incani Wardley B18. Each week you'll have a quiz to do. They start in week 1 and need to be done before the first class for the course, which is the Tuesday 2 p.m. online Zoom class. For assessment, you've got those weekly quizzes, which, as I said, do start in week 1. I know that means it's going to be really tough in the first week, but I'm hoping you'll get used to it after that. 10% of your assessment is being in class and participating in class discussions and activities. The assessment is divided into 5% for attendance and 5% for participation. If you attend every class but never say anything, then you'll get marks for attendance, but you won't do so well on participation. If you're not able to attend for whatever reason, but send me or Nathan responses to the weekly seminar questions, which you'll find each week under modules, then you'll get marks for participation but not for attendance. If you attend class and reference the weekly lectures and the reading materials, then you'll get attendance marks and high marks for participation, and it is possible to get 100% for this component. There's a fieldwork report due 24th April. We'll talk more about this closer to the due date, but in essence what's going to happen is that in week 5 you'll be doing an observational activity or some walking sociology. You'll keep notes of your observations and you can use photos and drawings for that too. And then you're going to use all of that material, analyse it and write it up in your report. Alternatively, you can do a video recording of your walk, which needs to include an analysis and an informed, by which I mean based on research, commentary of your observations. The written report is 1,500 words. The video is to be around 10 minutes. There are 2 examples of videos I've done that you can have a look at. They're very amateurish, but they might give you some ideas. All the details are under assignments and we'll discuss requirements in class 2. The final piece of assessment is a 3,000 word essay due the 6th of June, which means you're probably not interested in this right now. But the essay is an opportunity to pull together all your learning over the semester, because you're going to design a research question and then discuss the qualitative methods best suited to addressing it. Again, we'll discuss this in more detail in class closer to the time. I think that's all for now. Thanks for listening and I look forward to seeing you soon.